Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is XIFOWE MK8 Nozzles. XIFOWE MK8 is one of the most well-known nozzle in the 3D printing industry, owing to their creation of the popular V6 hot end found in many 3D printer extruders. As a result, their nozzles are designed to work with a wide range of 3D printers and are high-quality products. Input diameter is 2.00 mm and output diameter is 0.4 mm and out thread is M6 and thread length 5 mm. The outer surface is marked with a size. You can easily identify the specifications of the nozzle. Easy to install, easy to use, no processing, high precision, low-cost DIY engraving machine, 3D printer preferred. 25 pieces printer nozzles. 10 pieces stainless steel needles. A 10 grid parts box. A 6mm inner hexagon wrench. Number 2 in this best 3D printer nozzle list is hardened steel nozzle. MK8 extruder nozzles are made of hardened tool steel, good abrasion resistance, heat resistance and corrosion resistance. Sturdy construction makes them durable to serve you for a long time, suitable for 3D printing at high temperature. This hardened tool steel nozzle has higher toughness and hardness, not only suitable for common 1.75 mm 3D printer filaments, but also can print filaments of carbon fiber, fiberglass, etc. The inner wall of the MK8 nozzles is smooth and has no burrs, the viscosity coefficient is small, extruder nozzle diameter error less than 0.02 mm, provide you accurate and smooth extrusion. These 3D printer nozzles compatible with MK8 hot end for Creality 3D printers, such as Ender 2, Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 5, also compatible with Creality CR10 all-metal hot end, Prusa i3, Inet A8, Reprap, etc. Package comes with 5 pieces of black MK8 nozzles, the size is 0.4 mm, sufficient quantity to facilitate your timely replacement, achieving quality printing. Our third pick is LUTER extruder nozzles. Brass nozzles are the most common type of nozzle, but they're also the most prone to wear and tear, especially if you're a frequent maker. The LUTER extruder nozzles are a low-cost alternative to replacing a worn nozzle on a printer with an MK8 type hot end. They're compatible with a wide range of 3D printers, including popular models like the MakerBot Creality CR10, MakerBot Reprap Prusa i3 MK8, and most other 1.75 mm PLA ABS 3D printers with external M6 threaded extruders. Despite their low cost, the LUTER extruder nozzles produce smooth print results and work well to avoid errors and clogging thanks to a rounded chamfer. 3D printer nozzles can prevent print head from leakage effectively and produce consistent prints with smooth and glossy polish. Reduce the resistance from the corners and avoid blocking of the filament with rounded chamfer. Easy to identify with engraving the size on each nozzle. Fourth pick in our best 3D printer nozzle list is LYOUCI MK8 3D printer. This MK8 nozzles are made of high-quality brass material. Heavy duty and provide a long service life. Easy to install and change. MK8 extruder nozzles fit for 3D printer MakerBot Creality CR10, MK8 MakerBot Reprap Prusa i3, compatible with all 1.75 mm PLA ABS 3D printer. MK8 nozzle through long-term testing to solve the problem of plugging and missing materials to the greatest extent, low thermal conductivity, resistant to corrosion, high abrasion resistance. This nozzle is suitable for coarse, abrasive materials. Using them with anything other than PLA or ABS grinds away at the nozzle's innards. Last in this list is Meafeng MK8 Ender nozzles. This nozzle's fit for 3D printer MakerBot Creality CR10, MK8 MakerBot Reprap Prusa i3, compatible with all 1.75 mm PLA ABS 3D printer. Fit exactly like the original. Input diameter 2.00 mm, output diameter 0.4 mm, up thread M6, thread length 4 mm, a set of 25 pieces printer nozzles and 5 pieces stainless steel needles. And the outer surface is marked with a size, so you can easily identify the specifications of the nozzle. Made with centering CNC precision automatic lathe and one-time forming technology, make sure the input and output holes are concentric and the interior of nozzle is smooth without burrs. Due to all of above, not only reduce the resistance, avoid filament getting stuck on nozzle, but also effectively guarantee the service life of the nozzle, make out of filament more smoother. Cutting with the diamond knife, make the contact surface more flat, so it reduces the risk of printhead leakage greatly and avoid nozzles clogging.